What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can install or download the Testbook app on your computer. Well, you cannot, but you won't be able to directly download the app. In order to do that, you have to download an Android emulator in which you will be able to download the Testbook app. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. Here, you simply have to search for any of the emulator, whichever allows you. You can download the BlueStacks or you can download different Android emulators like LD Player or NOS. Now, go to their website and download that emulator. Once that emulator is downloaded, you just have to install it. Installation process is pretty simple. Just follow the instructions, and there you go. The Android emulator will be installed. Once it is installed, the process is pretty simple then. You will have to open up the emulator. The icon should be on the desktop. When you will open it up, what it will show you, it will work like a normal Android device. And in the Android device, you just have to go to your Google Play Store, search for Testbook app, install it, and then use it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. So the process is pretty simple, as I told you before. Download the emulator. In the emulator, download the app. Hope you guys find this video helpful.